Do you want to know exactly how to manifest your desires and permanently keep them in your life? So I typed up a template for all of you so that way you can see where your self-concept is in relation to your desires. So feel free to save this video and let's get into it. So what is self-concept? Self-concept is your habitual thoughts, beliefs, assumptions in your subconscious mind that make up who you believe you are and who you believe you are in relation to the world. So in order to receive permanent results in your reality, your concept of self and your concept of your desire must match in order for you to get the desired result you want to experience. So with this example, I use manifesting an ex back because they left you. So if your concept of self in regards to love and relationships, maybe you feel that relationships are hard and you are saying, I'm not good enough, I'm not chosen, I'm not worthy of having a loving relationship, I'm always the second option. But then you are affirming all day long, your concept of your specific person is, SP loves me, SP always makes me their number one priority, I'm always valued and respected by my SP. As you can see, your concept of self and your concept of your specific person do not match. And then, on the other hand, you can see that even if you have a strong self-concept with love and relationships, and you are telling yourself, I am good enough, I am chosen, I am so loved, I'm always the number one priority, but then you are still attached to the shitty story of your specific person, and you are saying, SP never makes time for me. SP always chooses other people over me. SP wants nothing to do with me. As you can see, they are not a match. However, at the bottom, you can see that if you have a strong self-concept in regards to love and relationships with your specific person, for example, and you are affirming, I am good enough, I am chosen, I am so loved, I'm always the number one priority, and then you change that story of your specific person to align with your concept of self, and now you are saying SP is in love with me, SP always makes time for me, SP always values and respects me. You can see that your concept of self and your concept of your specific person are aligning and they are a match. You want permanent results, so you need to shift into the state of already having what you want right now. And you need to make sure that how you feel about yourself, the way that you view yourself in regards to what you desire is matching your concept of your desire. So I have now included this template in my 20-page workshop guide, and I really hope that this helped you out. Follow me for more tips.